Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm just making some wings and fries for dinner tonight. It's so easy, so simple. It's basically self-explanatory, but I'm still gonna do a little voiceover and tell you guys exactly what I'm doing. These wings were absolutely delicious. You hear me? Delicious. They don't call me the wing queen for nothing. So anyway, you guys, over here I seasoned my wings last night, and all I used on here is my own spice. It's lit lemon pepper, of course, because it's all you need. When you season your food, you don't need salt, you don't need pepper, you don't need nothing. No seasoning. All you need is lemon pepper. So I seasoned it last night and let it sit overnight. So this is why you're seeing it now. I'm going to put mustard on here instead of eggs. The mustard is going to add a little bit of flavor as well as to help the flour adhere to the chicken. So don't think you're going to taste mustard chicken. It's definitely not. This is the flour in the bowl. We're going to season it with Spicy Girl, which is also my spice, as well as some lemon pepper, the same lemon pepper I used to season the wings. And we're just going to dredge it. So you want to take the chicken, mix it up with the mustard, and add it to your flour. These are the fries that I'm using. I got them from the freezer section in Walmart. I'm using crinkle cut, but you can use whatever. Y'all know I love me some Panda sauce. This is my favorite one right here. I got this as well out of Walmart. You want to add it to a warm or hot skillet. You want to add lots and lots of scallions. You also want to add a piece of butter. Make sure you put piece of butter down in there. Okay, don't skip that step. You also want to add a piece of chicken stock, chicken broth, whatever you want to add. Mix it up, and that's your Swiss. Okay, don't mess up the Swiss. It was easy. So here's my pan. I'm gonna spray it with some butter cooking spray. Well, butter spray, non-stick spray, and then I'm gonna add my fries. Just follow the directions on the back of the bag. Y'all, you can't mess this up. Like I said, it's all self-explanatory. If you could read, you can make this recipe. Alright, so all you're going to do is take your wings and add them to the sauce. You only need your wings to be in here for about 1 to 2 minutes while you coat them. You're not trying to cook the wings, they're already cooked. Coat them, get them nice and soaked, and then that's it. You're done. Easy, simple. Okay? So I'm going to plate it up and let you guys see what they look like, as well as some beauty shots, and I'll come back and just show you guys everything. Alright, so those are the fries back there. Because they were so cheap, I got great value. They weren't as crispy, but they still turned out pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.